I am the tofu golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the skin so the attar layers properly. Clean the small application spots, and once done, add a light barrier, half a pump of unscented moisturizer, or a quick splash of alcohol-free toner to give the oil something to cling to and slow evaporation. Now take 1 to 2 drops of chocolate Musk Attar on the pad or fingertip and gently dab the target points. Do not rub, because rubbing crushes volatile top notes and flattens the aroma profile quickly. Once the base is set, you build the scent deliberately to enhance the chocolate musk. Apply the attar to pulse points, wrists, behind the ears, inner elbow, and the center of the chest, so warmth amplifies the blend. If you want complexity, add 1 light complementary layer like a touch of vanilla or a tiny citrus spritz. Do this sparingly. Make sure to wait 30 to 60 seconds for the oil to settle before dressing, and keep fabrics at least 1 inch away to prevent oil stains. Finish by checking how the attar develops on your skin over the first hour. That tells you whether to reapply later. 1 drop after 4 to 6 hours is typical for longer days. If the aroma feels overpowering, blot the area with a tissue and then rehydrate with an unscented hand lotion to soften projection. And if anything goes wrong, faint scent, off note, or spill, store the bottle capped in a cool, dark place, and for spills, use a dab of rubbing alcohol on fabric before laundering.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.